Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and see if I can figure out if it's really worth the massive 60,000 rupees drop before the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 come out. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been making waves in the tech community with its recent price drop. This flagship device has always been known for its top-notch features and sleek design. The excitement around it has been huge. But what's even more exciting is the arrival of the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. These new foldable phones are set to change the game with their innovative designs and cutting-edge technology. The competitive landscape of foldable phones is heating up, and Samsung is positioning itself to take a big lead. With the price drop of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, consumers are now faced with even more choices. The question is, will the Galaxy S24 Ultra still be a top pick? Or will the new Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 steal the show? The market is filled with options, and it's getting harder to choose the perfect device. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an impressive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, and a powerful Exynos 2400 chipset. Its camera system is also on point, with a 200MP primary sensor, a 40MP front camera, and support for 8K video recording. On the other hand, the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are bringing something new to the table with their foldable designs. The Z Fold 7 features a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display, a 4,400 mAh battery, and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The Z Flip 7, on the other hand, has a sleek clamshell design, a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, and a 3,300 mAh battery. So what's behind this significant price drop of the Galaxy S24 Ultra? One reason could be Samsung's strategy to clear out inventory before the new foldable phones hit the market. Another reason might be to make the device more competitive against other flagship phones. The price drop also gives consumers a chance to own a premium device at a lower cost. With the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 arriving soon, Samsung is likely trying to make a big impact in the foldable market. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's massive price drop and the arrival of the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 have certainly shaken up the smartphone market. These changes give consumers more options and force them to rethink their priorities when choosing a new device. If you've got any thoughts on these new developments, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my latest video on smartphone innovations to stay up to date on the latest trends in the tech world.